If you've ever struggled to find an event, meeting, or reminder in Google Calendar, this video is going to make your life a lot easier. Today, I'm going to show you how to search in Google Calendar quickly and easily so you can find exactly what you need without scrolling through endless dates. This is a simple but super useful trick, especially if your calendar is packed with meetings, deadlines, and appointments. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar and make sure you're inside your calendar view. Once you're there, look at the top menu area for the magnifying glass search icon. This is the search tool that lets you look through your calendar events. When you find it, click on that magnifying glass icon. A search bar will appear, and this is where you can type in whatever you want to find. You can search for an event title, a meeting name, a person, or even a keyword related to the event. Go ahead and enter your search term into the box. After that, press enter on your keyboard. Google Calendar will then scan your calendar and show you the matching results. You'll be able to see the events that match your search so you can open the right one right away. This is especially helpful if you need to find something from weeks or even months ago because it saves you from manually browsing through your calendar one day at a time. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to search in Google Calendar in just a few clicks. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.